Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Blinkit cream for ice cream offer not showing. So a lot of people had it on their screen just like this on the Blinkit app where you see the screen for ice cream and you get discounts. But unfortunately, a lot of people could not find theirs on the Blinkit app. So it's very simple on how to do that. So first thing you have to do, you have to close up the app and you go to your phone settings. Click on your phone settings and you're going to scroll the way down to apps. So once you scroll to apps, you have to go to Blinkit. So click on that and here you have to click on first stop and also go to storage, clear up the cache, clear up the data. And once you do that, bear in mind that maybe the reason why it's not showing is because the screen for ice cream is actually closed. They have stopped it automatically from the app. So it can be as a result of bug issue. So after doing that, you still have to go to Play Store and search for Blinkit and search for an update. If there's any updates, you have to click on update and update the app. And afterwards, you're going to screen the screen for ice cream on your Blinkit homepage. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.